Hey, this is Matt with Fetch a Wrench. I have not updated you guys in a long time on my business front. If you've been paying attention or following my channel lately, I've been releasing a lot of lectures. That's for my sports medicine class. So a lot has changed in my life in a short period of time. So to kind of break all that down, I got married and then I sold my house and then I moved into my wife's house, and that home did not really fit all of our cars. So I had three of my own, she had one, and so that made me kind of make the difficult decision to sell my service truck. So I sold my service truck to a friend. I also transitioned from part-time teaching to full-time teaching, so I didn't really need to do the mobile work anymore. So I moved all the tools into that garage, and I did some work out of the garage, not much, mainly just some friends, neighbors, and then old customers that I serviced mobily. And then I became a father, and we bought a house all in the same week. It was pretty crazy and very stressful, and we moved, had a kid. It was nuts. However, my new home is incredible and I'm super happy about it. So my new home is over there. We're on 10 acres. It's pretty incredible. It's way more space than will ever need. We will never fill this house, but it's pretty incredible. And with that home comes the best upgrade of all. I have a 30 by 60 heated shop now to work out of. So I no longer need to do mobile work. Check this out. So this is my 30 by 60 space. I've got my neighbor's minivan in here. I'm about to do pads and rotors and rotate tires. This is a previous customer's CRV. She just dropped that off this week. So I'm gonna do pads, rotors, front end, back end, struts, stabilizer, end links, a headlight, maybe a fender. If she wants to pay for a new fender. And then this is my personal minivan. This is what my wife and I use to travel all over the country in. We're gonna head down to Florida for spring break. But yeah, this is just such an incredible space. It's heated, it's warm out here. I've just got it set to 45 right now. This space I plan on making into kind of a waiting room or waiting area. We'll have a TV over here, free Wi-Fi, and then under the stairs over here is a bathroom. I got to do some work and update that bathroom and get that more functional. But it even gets better, people. So here, this space here is going to be where my tenants park, because I have a 1,600 square foot apartment up above the barn here that just such a blessing. So I've got somebody potentially coming in to do a tour. So yeah, such a blessing. It's hard to believe that this is my home, this is my space. I'm really excited to raise our family here and yeah, just bless other people with the skills that I have in a nice warm space, and kind of work as I please, and still serve my customers, but just in a different capacity. End goal would be to maybe hire somebody to do the mobile work for me, and then other people can drop their cars off, you know, when the time is not really of an essence, or that their vehicles are operable and can get to me. So we'll see how this all pans out. There's tons of opportunity here, and I'm just really excited. And I will plan on uploading some more videos as I work and take on some jobs here and get some tips and tricks. I just did my friend Subaru. I think I'm going to put a video out on that, on the neutral safety switch. It was a beast, but I got a cool tool that will that made it possible to replace. So yeah, stay tuned in, and hopefully you guys will learn some cool tips and tricks from me along the way. In the meantime, I'm uploading a lot more sports medicine lectures, but eventually I'll stop and then focus more on the car stuff. And then maybe just like some personal finance tips and tricks and owning a business and what that can do for you are kind of up my sleeve in the near future. So thanks for tuning in. Feel free to leave a comment or question down below, and I'd be happy to field those. Thanks a lot, and have a blessed day.